guys, it's Eva and
Diamond.
so today, what are we doing, Diamond?
We are going to give a slime
We are going to give a
tutorial.
slime, not a tutorial, but our slime
We're gonna show
collection.
you
How much slime we have, but let's
more
give
than
them
5.
more than 5. You're done. But this is how much slime we have for right now. But we're just gonna get the slimes and we're gonna show them to y'all. So the first slime that I made is this green fluffy slime, and guys, there was no fizz but there's usually like a fizz. So, guys, if you don't know, we love fluffy slime, so we have about 2 or 3 in our collection. So we have a lot, like it's a lot. Why did I say it like that? A lot. But next slime, pull out your next slime that you want to do.
I want to do this one.
I think that one might be a little bit sticky because that's been sitting. So if you want me to do it, do your green one.
Oh,
Did you pack it in? It's on the bottom.
oh yeah. This is why.
Yeah, we have a couple of small ones, but
It's
it looks
green.
yellow. No, it
and-
kind of looks yellow.
I know, yellow greenish.
Yeah, it's like a neon
And
red.
it has a little bit beads and silver, a little bit silver
Glitter.
glitter. Yeah, look. It's
I really like that one.
yeah, I like the color. Oh, can't do it.
Can I play with it? I don't play with it.
Yeah.
You hear that crunch? And then she used a different glue that we got from what was it? Like a slime package? Rainbow slime package, and their glue is so good.
Yeah, but it's like
But we
this.
used borax activator. Yeah, it was really small.
Yeah. You
And we
should
mixed
save that
it with-
borax.
Huh?
You should save that borax for my.
Oh yeah,
Rainbow thing.
yeah. In case like we run out.
Yeah.
But that's this slime.
I doubt that borax will last like a year, no, like months.
It will last a long time though.
Your turn.
Okay, next one I have here is pink foam slime. Let me turn it this way. I really like this one. Has lotion in
Oh
it.
my gosh.
I really like this one. And we're missing one slime because I let her have it,
Yeah.
and
No,
she has it in
No,
her
wait.
one.
Oh yeah.
Did you pack the one that you made with the beads? and
Yeah.
glitter? Okay. So
I don't know why I do this. I smell my lips.
this one's cold. Feel it?
Oh my god, what the?
That one's cold.
The
Okay,
it's
next
not
slime.
sticky. Okay, next slime. Let me see. Hold on, wait. I think this slime.
Me.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Oh, what this one? Hold on, this one's open. I can let you see.
Oh, that one's a pretty one.
Yeah, I want to use this one. I haven't used this one.
Oh, this one's jiggly slime.
It's a
Jiggly slime.
yeah. Oh my gosh. How'd you? Oh yeah, you used
I use glue and water.
This is pretty. She actually has 2.
Yeah, I have 2 of these because I had a big batch. But I just like saved 2 small containers of it because I really like this slime.
That's pretty.
Next one.
Okay.
Next one is, I'll do this one. So we made this one right now. It looks super dark on camera.
What the? Oh.
But it's like really purpley. It looks like a lipstick. And this one's foam. I mean, fluffy.
Yeah.
Excuse my dad in the background.
Oh, I thought that was Chica.
Chica's our dog, guys. So.
Yeah, it's a girl name. It's a Mexican girl name.
Shut up.
Ooh, that crunch.
Okay, next. When they go by fast.
Can I use this one?
Yes.
Okay. This one is the next one. It's a
Jelly cube slime.
yeah jelly cube slime. Yvette actually made it today. It looked like pineapple.
Yeah.
Oh my god! What the?
Yeah. We take it out and squish it and show them.
I'll show you the bottom. Okay.
I like this one.
Here. Okay. What the? Why is it? Oh shoot! What the? Here, you do it, 'cause
It got harder.
I know that's all I'm like. What the?
But look.
Oh.
I don't know why it was better earlier.
Yeah. Oh, the bubbles.
Okay, next. Here, pack this one in. Next one that I'm gonna do is I'll do this one.
Oh, you baby.
This one is butter slime.
Excuse me, brother.
I love it so much.
Did you
And-
pack the one that I made?
Huh?
Did you pack the one I made?
Oh, I didn't bring it. Should I go bring it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back. That's scared. Okay, so this is the butter slime. I actually really like it. Some people make their butter slime with ice clay, but I use Model Magic. And it came out really good. Okay, next.
Next one, I have it prepared. It's a little orange. It was orange, but it turned into peach. I guess because the gold glitter,
Sparkle?
yeah, and the beads. So it actually got bigger, and I actually like it.
I actually like it.
I mean, I like it because
I really like this one.
Okay. She said she liked it too.
Okay, next one I'm gonna do. Let me lay this one.
Oh, you just showed them.
Okay.
Oh, that one. Oh.
I'm gonna do this clear blue slime, and it's already like fully clear. There's no like bubbles, but that's how it looks.
I want to feel it.
It's really sticky because it's been sitting for a while. That's why with all my clear glues,
Oh my god.
I overactivate it.
This is nice.
Okay, you want to feel it?
Yeah. Oh my god. What the heck?
Okay.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Next, pick yours.
Okay. My next one is going to be here's the lid. Let me see. I think.
Oh, did you pack your other one? Your yellow one? Your yellow one? Your eggs?
Oh, it's in my backpack.
Okay.
Okay.
So you kept two of them?
Yeah. Hold on, wait. Let me pick one. Which should I pick? Okay. I think I'm gonna pick this one. She made this today?
Made that yesterday.
Oh yeah, we made it when we were at the
Fluffy
kitchen.
slime.
Yeah, this is a green fluffy
That's our
slime.
third fluffy slime.
Yeah, and
Do you want to take it out?
yeah, hold on.
Ah, is it kind of sticky?
I don't know yet.
Just a bit.
Oh yeah, I am not thinking today. Oh my
I
god.
really like this one.
You don't like it?
I said I really like this one.
It's so soft.
I think it needs a little bit more lotion, but other than that, 10 out of 10.
Wait.
Oh, after this, we should rate them.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a
Let
couple
me-
minutes left.
Okay.
Next, I'm gonna do this clear slime. It's basic clear.
Bruh.
It has bubbles in it because I made it yesterday. So,
Besides Dennis Smith.
let me show
Ooh,
you
this
guys.
smells like mint.
See, I overactivated it because clear slime, I mean any slime, whenever you let it sit for a while, it kind of with dissolves in the type of way. It doesn't dissolve, it gets warmer, so it kind of melts.
Yeah. Here, can you stick it up for me? The next one, I think. Wait, have we done this one?
No,
Okay.
that one's kind of sticky, I think. We've done that one.
Yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this one. She made this yesterday.
Wait, we did this one already, right?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
was
Oh, okay. This is a pink color with beads and pink glitter, and it's pretty. It's really warm.
I really like this one.
I like this one. I like this one better than my egg one.
Your egg one's kind of hard.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna add lotion at my house.
Okay, next.
Okay.
We're running out of time. Okay, technical difficulties, but the
Yeah.
next one that I have is this white
I'm gonna close this one.
glossy
Sorry.
slime. Look at that.
But this one the pros. Okay, there we go. Oh, what the
Look how shiny that is. Alright, you can pick the next one.
Okay. Next one. We mixed this one with one of my blue ones and all of my red one, and it actually turned out to a beautiful. Right now it looks like it's blue, but
It looks really blue.
I know, but right now it's like purple. I don't know if you-
It's purple.
Yeah, it's a light purple.
Yeah. Alright, next one. You love me with the bad one. So
We mixed it with one of my rainbow things.
the rainbow one that we were talking about. Oh, it actually looks really pretty on camera. But it's like
Oh,
the
yeah.
dark green.
Yeah, it looks like poop, but mixed with little.
It's
green.
really hard. But yeah, this slime isn't pokeable. Oh my
Oh my gosh.
We're
Again.
back, but this one isn't pokeable or stretchable, or kind of if you go slow.
Yeah, it doesn't like
But-
people hurting it or poking it.
Okay, but we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you guys make sure you guys comment,
Make sure
comment, share, and subscribe.
comment the slime that you like the most, and
Yeah.
we'll rate it at the next video.
Yeah. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe, comment, and dab. I don't know what that was. But yeah, we will see you guys. When are we going to see them? Next video, because we're about to take her home. So, yeah. Peace.